Hey, let me ask you something. Are you using a brick phone like this to make your phone calls, or have you transitioned your life into something like an iPhone or an Android? You know, the same thing is happening in the real estate business. There's rapid changes that are happening, namely AI. Most real estate agents have absolutely no idea what to do with AI, and the National Association of Realtors says as much as 1/3 of the agents could be out of the business by the end of 2026 if they don't adapt to the AI that's sweeping the country, not only in real estate, but in every other industry. That's why a week today, Monday, October 6th, here at Westshore Plaza Mall, all the way from New York City, I'm bringing in Emilio Estevez. No, not the actor, Emilio Estevez, the real estate trainer that is one of the nation's experts on artificial intelligence and how to implement it into your real estate business. So we're going to be here. The link is provided right here on this post. I strongly recommend, if you're a real estate agent in the Tampa Bay area, to register for this event so you can be part of the industry that's using AI to take your business to the next level, and not the 30% that's projected to be forced out of the business because they're still using one of these. Hello? Mom, I'm making a video right now.